Perfect. And now you know what the next natural step is? Well, it is of course to create a new object of this random forest regressor class, and we're going to call this object as usual regressor, which will be equal to, well, an instance of this class. That's why I'm copying it and pasting it here and adding some parentheses. Alright, so this time, do you think we have to input something in this class? Well, let's not fall into the trap of too much easiness, let's say. Remember that for decision tree regression, we actually did not input, an essential parameter. We just input a random state factor in order to fix the seeds so that we can all have the same results displayed in the output. But this time, there's actually a parameter that is very important, and that parameter is the number of trees. So that's exactly what we're going to input here. The name of that parameter is n_estimators. We're going to set it equal to 10. 10 trees, right? 10 estimators. Each tree is an estimator. Okay, and then as usual, we're going to add the random_state parameter, and once again, we'll set that equal to 0 so that we can fix the seeds and get the same output displayed in our notebook. Okay, great. And now, final step. You know this step by heart now. It is so obvious for you. It is, of course, to fit the regressor object to the whole dataset. In other words, that means we are training the regressor on the whole dataset, right? So here we have to add a dot and then fit applied to x and y. Perfect. So, and that's all we had to do, for this random forest regression implementation. All the rest is the same as the decision tree. So we can just execute all the cells here and observe comfortably in our chair the final result. So let's have a look. I just want to warn you again that it's not going to be pretty, and that's of course for the exact same reason as decision trees. A random forest regression model is way better adapted to high dimensional datasets, or datasets with multiple features, which you will see in the final section of this part 2 regression, when not only learning how to evaluate your regression models, but also on how to select the best model for any dataset, for a particular dataset you're working with. All right, so let's do this. Let's execute each of these cells, starting with importing the libraries. Then I'm not going to forget, I almost forgot to upload the dataset. I was about to execute this cell, but that would have returned an error because indeed the dataset needs to be uploaded. So let's upload it now. All right, so as usual, we have to go into our machine learning A to Z folder, wherever you put it on your machine, then part 2 regression, then section 9 and last section of this part 2, random forest regression, then Python, and there we go, position salaries. This is still, of course, the same dataset. Okay, so that's all good. Now we have the dataset, so now we can import it inside the notebook, well, actually inside our Python program. And now we're gonna train the random forest regression model on the whole dataset. So let's do this, and this will output the random forest regressor model with all the parameters. And at this stage, the only parameter that I recommend to tune is indeed that number of estimators, which we chose to be equal to 10. All right, and don't worry too much about the rest now. This will already give you an excellent model. And then now let's predict the final result by, just calling this predict method from our regressor object. And the predict method just has to take as input, well, that position level number 6.5, which, remember, you have to input in a double pair of square brackets because the predict method expects a 2D array as its input, right? So that's very important for you to know, but we saw this many times. I'm sure it has become also very obvious for you. So let's do this. Let's get this prediction. And we get, wow, we get a pretty good prediction actually, $167,000, which is very close to, that salary that this person mentioned to earn in the previous company, which was 160K. So that's very, very good. And now let's visualize the final result. Oh, I actually forgot to delete that output, but that's fine. Let's run the cell and we'll get that output again. And here is the regression curve of the random forest regression model. And of course, it looks like a lot the one of the decision trees, although this time there are more steps of the stairs. Remember, for the decision tree regression model, we had a step for each of the position level. And here, for example, we have 2 steps between 2 position levels. So that's of course because we have more trees this time, and therefore more splits of, the features where you have the same prediction, the average of the predicted salary. So it only makes sense that there are more steps. All right, so congratulations. That was your final regression model of part 2. You now have a complete toolkit of regression models, which gives you a lot of different options and solutions for your future data sets and future machine learning problems. So I'm really happy for you that we built together this toolkit. Make sure to use it the right way. And now we will finish with this last section to teach you how to use this regression toolkit the best way, by selecting the best model for any data set. All right, so join me in this next section. I can't wait to see you again. And until then, enjoy machine learning.